Hello guys, this is Sandra here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have you here, and I hope you're gonna enjoy your time. So you can see I'm already in the new location, so I'm still trying to figure everything out, so just bear with me. Hopefully it will all work out. But I thought today to get back in the swing of things, and I'm sorry my chair is squeaking, I thought I can do a makeup challenge. And a while ago I did the 10-minute makeup challenge, and that went actually quite well. I finished I think like a minute before I had to, and I looked fairly decent, if I say so myself, I think. So I decided, you know what, this time I'm gonna do it in 5 minutes. So I have everything I need right next to me, and I can hear my boyfriend talking, so I hope you cannot. But I think I'm quite good at whacking on my makeup, even though my boyfriend would disagree probably. So we will see how it will go in 5 minutes, but I have everything ready next to me just so I don't have to waste time by getting things out. But I'm gonna put the timer on. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Where is it? Go. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna start with primer. Where's my primer? If I forget to say what I'm using, I'm gonna put it in the description box. I mean, I doubt it's something anyone would want to recreate, but just in case, I'm using a primer from Pür and not bothering to put the lid back on. And then we're moving on to concealer, and now I can't open it because my hand is slippery from the primer. Oh dear, I'm feeling anxious about this. And normally I would put my foundation on first, but I'm using a tinted moisturizer and I have quite a few breakouts. I don't know whether it's moving or stress or what it is. So I'm whacking on concealer fresh everywhere where I need extra coverage. And hope it's gonna work out for the best. Oh dear. Maybe 5 minutes was not such a good idea. Where is my timer gone? Oh dear. Oh, okay. I have 3.5 minutes. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Okay. I'm gonna set my eyes first with a cream colored shadow from my Pando's palettes. Eyeshadow palette, the Wet n Wild one. Oops, Rosè in the air. I'm not sure why I stopped showing it to you. I'm wasting time. Oh, and the concealer didn't go that well on this side. Okay, now set it. Because I don't want this masterpiece to crease, you know. But it was just quicker to use a concealer as an eyeshadow base than something separate. Okay, I need a color in the crease. Oh dear. How long do you normally take to get ready in the mornings? Or, well, when you don't have to wear a mask, obviously nowadays. It might be shorter or different. But normally, on a normal day, I think it took me about half an hour to do my makeup to work. But also I like to sip on my coffee usually while I do that. I'm not that much in a hurry. Well, if I'm doing well, I'm not that much in a hurry. Okay. Okay, that will have to do. And then I'm using Nars Dual Intensity Eyeshadow just with my finger. I should use this shadow more often, it's really pretty. Oh yeah, it is really pretty, but I haven't used it in so long. Okay. And then I might go back in with a slightly darker shade on the outer corner, just a little bit, just to give some depth. Okay, or we might add some liner later if we have the time. I'm not sure where we are time-wise. Oh, 1 minute. Oh, that's not good, not good, not good. Okay. I spent way too much time on the eyeshadow. Uh-oh. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, 5 minutes is definitely not enough. I haven't even done anything with my brows yet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. I spent too long on my eyes. 31 seconds. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not gonna have time for mascara, will I? I have nothing on my face. Okay. Well, that was a 1.5. I didn't get nearly to the point where I wanted to be. Oh no. Well, ta-da, I look beautiful. Next time. I might have to retake this 5-minute challenge at one point, because while my eyeshadow looks nice, nothing else got really done, did it? So I might need that 10 minutes to get ready, or at least, you know, 7. Not 5, definitely not 5. I think I got too comfortable talking about my eyeshadow. Well, what do you think? Have you ever tried a challenge like this, and if so, how much can you get done in 5 minutes? I really could use a mascara or something. Well, I can, what I can do, I can maybe finish this properly and I can show you what that looks like compared to this. What do you think? But yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted something fun and easy, something, yeah, just really light-hearted. But for now I'm gonna go. I hope you have a lovely day, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. But for now I'm gonna go. I hope to see you in my next video. I post 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, with the occasional Saturday video. But for now I'm gonna go. Have a lovely day and bye bye.